Hey, Petty Fam.
Hey, Petty Fam.
We're doing...
Clarence got me tight because... What he do?
Let's get into it. Hey, Naija.
Hey, girl. We big.
I'm really in my feelings right now. I'm actually a little upset. This is a tough way to start the vlog out. So today was supposed to be fun-filled and event-filled.
You can tell she upset.
I know, she was really upset. Or she just acting good.
Tell Clarence, hey, let's just go to the mobile petting zoo.
That was my idea.
No, it wasn't, babe.
How you gonna steal her idea?
It was my idea to wake up and go to the mobile petting zoo where we take the car.
Oh, that'd be
the
fun.
Through the windows, right?
Yeah.
Even Maya came.
Oh, my.
It's good, y'all.
Even Maya came.
Hey,
Lee's
Ma.
supposed to come, but she's taking care of my deluxe right now. The kids were super excited.
Hey,
And
CJ.
I don't know, for some reason, like, the royal family is just really bad at planning out things and carrying it through. Like,
It's really her fault. She was.
it's not my fault. Please don't do that.
Babe.
You're making my blood pressure rise.
I'm gonna leave
Uh-oh.
you
You
one
were still
question.
getting dressed.
What time did you get out the shower?
Uh-oh.
Oh, it don't matter. I got out of the shower at 3. We was gonna go to the place at
And how
4.
far is
Wait.
it?
Oh, 42 minutes.
It's an hour away.
42 minutes with traffic, and then all of a sudden, babe, stop it.
Uh-oh. He making his
I'm
case,
hurt
though.
Right now, I'm so hurt.
He having so much fun that she upset. It's what's making her tight.
We're gonna have mad fun, watch.
So anyway, Clarence's idea is let's go to the park and like a really nice park, take the kids, and then my idea is to go to the robot pizza place because we're probably all hungry right now. We've been waiting.
Why don't y'all do
I don't know
both
what to
at
do
this
right now.
point?
Legend is down there. The door's wide open. And the car is waiting on us, so we should probably get going. I just want to leave. I just want to go.
Just go, because
we
what
went
y'all
to the
doing?
park.
Oh, the baby.
This is Legend.
Oh, he's sleepy.
Like, I should have known.
Sleepy.
Honestly, we could
Ooh.
put him in a wagon.
Oh,
Where
he's
is he at?
sleepy.
He gonna
You
fall
want to go
off
to
the
the
chair.
park, baby?
Oh, he creepy.
You want to go to the park?
He said, I don't want to go nowhere, mama.
He said, I need my nips.
Do you like this park, CJ? Man, I am so...
He said,
Oh, what?
I'm growing hair.
What?
It looks really good.
He said, it's hard growing all this
He
hair.
said it was the best
He
part.
laid out like that. I'm glad they brought the wagon, Lord.
Yeah, they already know.
And you under it says best park.
Babe, you
They
said
doing
the
this
best
for him.
part.
He gonna miss
But
it
they-
out.
what's wrong with that? Because it looks like the best part. So what are we
He
arguing about?
knocked out.
What are we arguing about?
And let them ain't gonna see none of it.
Yeah, it looks so fun and colorful. I want to play in there.
CJ,
I wish Leggy
go.
was up. He would love it.
Stop.
You want to wake him up?
Stop. Please don't wake this baby up. Not when he's sleeping like that.
Ooh, look at that swing.
You could not.
wiggly
Oh, that
swing.
look
Get on
nice.
there.
That
But
is
you
too much
cannot.
fun, though.
You cannot wake a baby up when he's sleeping like that, like all splayed out.
He rolling.
He gonna cry. He gonna cry so
No,
hard.
let's just wake him up. Come on, let's
Please
do it.
don't wake him
Come on,
up.
all right, we'll go.
Y'all gonna pay for it if y'all wake him up.
Anyway, look at
Them
this,
kids
y'all.
probably
This is
gonna
so
wake him up
cool.
on his
This is
own.
He don't hear none of
This might have
it.
the
He
other
out to the
parts.
world.
What you think?
This is a nice
Here's the
park.
other part.
What
That's
in the
fun.
world?
He missing out.
That's a lot of stuff
I'm
in the
gonna go
park.
get a swing over there.
I never saw no big, huge
That looks so fun. They got zip
It's
lines,
like an
but now
indoor
CJ's the only one that's playing.
park outside, an
Let's
indoor
see what
adventure
we're
outside.
That's
That's nice.
That's advanced. That's from like Nita. That's advanced right there. Yeah, that's not a CJ.
Come on, CJ.
Come on,
You can do
CJ.
it before.
No, I think he got it. I think he can do it. You think you
Come
can
on,
do it?
baby.
Yeah, it's one mistake. It just focused right now. Come on, you got it, my boy.
Don't say one
Why
mistake
don't
and
we-
he's
you know what y'all
done.
remind me of? Y'all remind me of the Bad Boys.
That's funny.
CJ, what you doing?
CJ
I'm gonna
gone.
climb up there. Get me, man. I'm about to do it.
Please
Of
don't hurt
course
your
we knew you was
knee.
gonna try
Please
it.
do not hurt your knee,
You
queen.
got 8.
Lord.
Oh, this is harder than I thought.
Queen.
She get up there
With
midway
a
and
bad
say
knee.
that.
Like, how you gonna get down if you...
You better stop playing. Alright. You
Queen.
haven't did this in like 26 years.
Ooh.
Why you have to say all them years?
I told y'all, Claire.
Claire.
Petty fam.
Petty
Don't do it
Claire.
like this.
So we're trying to put him.
Oh my God. Your mama is on the and you out.
Baby, please put him back in the wagon. Please put him back in the wagon.
Is that boy okay? How he can't stand up?
Girl, he know he want to stay asleep.
I ain't never seen nobody sleep
Nah,
like that.
he want to stay asleep. He know.
Body limp.
He already know. He like, if they think I'm still asleep, they not gonna mess with me. That look fun. Okay, now I want to go to Atlanta.
He missing out.
Now I want to go to Atlanta to the park.
All right.
That's a heck of a park, y'all.
That's zip lining for kids.
What in the world?
That's zip lining for kids. Queen,
Kids and
please.
queens.
I know she not hurt because this is up, but I be worried.
Go higher.
Queen is such a
Just glad the baby ain't
daredevil.
on the other side of this.
Yeah, that's true. She
Look,
said,
she
"Stop
said,
for
stop
real
it."
before I fall." Queen.
Yeah, both of y'all grown, but can't be on both sides.
Oh.
I couldn't stop that shit.
Oh, Lord.
She really almost flipped over.
No.
It's too big ass.
Oh,
You know what?
I hope one
He
of the
said those
chains-
big old
Frank and
kids.
Frank.
No,
If y'all don't.
I hope one of the chains break.
Dang, why you hoping all that bad stuff, Claire?
Claire.
Yo, actually,
I feel like
right there, look.
mine should have been on the back because Queen going fast.
Squeaking more than usual right there.
Queen doing more than usual right
My age
now.
right there. Look.
Where is the sleeping baby
I'm
now?
not getting on that. Not with y'all. Not while y'all on it.
Right. Claire value his life.
Right. And he gonna be mad if he fall off too. He's like, what am I gonna do?
One leg, look at it.
One legged. Look at oh, the Jones.
Oh.
Ow, bro.
You see?
Exactly. Ow, bro. Oh, he holding it. Oh.
Oh,
Oh, the little
no
panties.
nephews for you anytime soon.
Did you just see that?
No.
Oh, the little panties.
Where's the ice? No nephews for y'all anytime soon. CJ and Legend, I ain't getting no playmates right now from him.
Look, he just face
Not
scratched out.
anytime soon.
Ouch.
You got.
Oh, that's so cute.
You thought you couldn't do it.
Oh, Uncle
Nah,
Patty.
Uncle Patty. See, that's a good uncle.
Oh, he said you thought you couldn't do it. He encouraging him and everything.
Yep, even through his pain.
Shut up. There you go.
Really.
Dad, he still
Man,
asleep.
the baby sleep.
10 hours later.
Are y'all checking his breathing?
There you go. There you go, sleepy baby.
He didn't even know where he
Still
was.
tired. He said, how we get here? He said, where is this
He's
place?
so sleepy he can't talk no
He
more.
said, am I dreaming? I don't know if he can play and all that.
Kid is finally up.
I don't know if he woke up to go by himself.
Right, yeah. Walk with him, boo-boo. There you go, the little slide.
Trying to play.
Oh, baby.
They had to wait till he get up to leave.
Bless you.
Oh, he's
Now,
He like, why them
CJ don't
kids?
wanna leave.
Come on.
Oh, because he just woke up. Oh, now he's
CJ,
tired.
He out now.
Legend don't want to go. But we hungry. You gonna make us
He
stop?
just got here. Legend just got up there.
You said they was gonna pay for it.
Oh, Legend going back. You know he got his own mind. He going back.
He gonna
He
fall
going
asleep
back.
first.
He going back. Legend said, y'all can go where y'all want to.
He said, I'm emancipated.
He said, I'm going back. I don't know about
He a
y'all.
grown man.
He said, I ain't got to ask y'all nothing.
He said, y'all let me sleep for 12 years. And y'all was having this fun. And now you wanna leave?
Kids to the park. They never want to leave. Can I go back? Come on, no, but he trying to get Legend. Come on.
He said, what? He like, y'all could have sent me back. I'd have got him.
First of all,
Yeah.
Patty could have went and got food or something.
Hungry.
was asleep.
Oh, some ice. Look
Oh,
at
baby, he is.
He like, I wish I knew more words. I tell y'all so. Yeah.
Tell it.
Tell him. Say, I need to go back and play. Yeah. Poor thing. He want to stay. Both of them want to stay.
Not both of y'all, man.
Oh.
That look like fun, though.
That look like a fun park.
We had really low reviews. To go
Oh,
to
they
my
had a
pizza.
second place.
Ask
I was
him,
here by
could it go
myself,
back later?
And I had thought about mine too, and I was like, dang. CJ over here.
We at my pizza shop.
I was like, dang, man, mine should come here. But look, now we bringing MOD into MOD.
Come on, MOD.
Oh, my pizza.
What do you see, baby?
Barbecue.
What is that, pizza? Do y'all like pizza? Alright, you got one little pizza.
See, I'm up now.
And you got one little pizza, legend.
Bread.
They're making fun of CJ because he's drinking chocolate milk and eating pizza.
Nah, it's not. That's kid stuff. Yeah, he just has the stomach of a titan.
You like that together? It tastes good?
You know, it's crazy. You give him a cup of juice after this. He's down in that too. So it's like all them flavors just mixing in his belly. That's
CJ, why don't you talk to the camera?
What's up?
Hey, CJ.
Hey,
Tell
CJ.
them how your day went yesterday. What did you do yesterday?
I found a lot of Easter eggs.
That wasn't yesterday. That was the day before. You went to the park yesterday.
I went to the park yesterday, and I didn't want to leave.
Legend, what about you? You went to the park? You went to the park, Legend? You asleep most of the time? No. Eat your food.
Did we go there today?
Mommy got work today.
You bringing it up again. They're going to want to go every day.
Then who's watching us? What, can she drive me to a park?
That's right, negotiate,
Right.
baby.
But what car is she gonna use?
He be thinking it out.
Mm-hmm.
She has a car.
So she have a car?
Yeah.
She bringing it?
She bringing it.
Wait till he can drive. It's gonna be over.
Right.
Maybe we'll see. Legend got a cold, so I don't know. Leggy, can you sit up and eat your food, please?
Let's see.
If you happy and you know, clap your hands. If you happy and you know, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're excited and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
Aww.
Shout hooray.
Hooray!
Excited and you know it and you
Let your voice so low.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Shout hooray.
Hooray!
He really do got low voice.
Focus!
Aww.
Blow a kiss. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, blow a kiss. Yay. Me and Clarence are going to go our separate ways.
Oh.
What, I just heard you? We're going to end this vlog.
Or his heart was hurting because he about to leave you. That's what happened.
Right.
Yes, babe. Yes, they did. They was like, why is it just ending all of a sudden? Why'd you guys end it? It just ended right there. Yes, they did. I seen it.
That's pointing out the obvious. If you wear a red hoodie and they say, why are you wearing a red hoodie? That's not complaining. That's pointing out.
I don't know. Comment below. Was y'all complaining or not?
Yeah.
Y'all wasn't. Maybe I'm wrong. But we're going to end this vlog out. And next time, we're going to go to the petting zoo because, babe, I planned for Wednesday. She called back. The lady called back and she said that we can still use
Why
our
didn't
ticket.
you call back the same day?
Because I don't know, maybe it's too late. But we're gonna go Wednesday, y'all, to the petting zoo. So don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. And then y'all will see all that funny footage. It's gonna be so fun. And this time to make sure that I'm ready on time, that Clarence is ready on time. He needs to be ready.
I was ready on
No, he was not ready on time, y'all. He wasn't.
Well, both of y'all make sure y'all ready on time. And get the kids ready before y'all.
What?
He changed his outfit 8
And no hanky panky.
Glasses when I got the shower, so he wasn't ready to
ready before you.
Babe, no, you was not.
Okay.
Why y'all gotta be dripped out to go to the petting zoo?
I'm done.
Don't get dripped out to go to
And
the
Lee,
zoo.
no, hold on, Lee, I got something to say to you here on camera. What? She was handling business, but I told her yesterday, Lee, everybody, let's have a family trip and go to the petting zoo. What happened? When I called you, where were you at? No. When I called you, where were you at?
First of all, Queen.
When I called you, where were you?
Queen wants to go late to everything. She thought that she could show up at 5 o'clock.
Yeah,
Petty School ain't open at 5.
No, you didn't answer the question. When I called you, where were you?
You said it to yourself, Queen. You know you can't win no argument with them.
I wasn't gonna go without you.
Queen, you could have went without me.
Pat Kane, you know what I'm saying? He always been on time to everything, bro. Everybody, the rest of this thing is just.
But you wanted your deluxe, right? Right?
Lee, you still could have been like, hey, I'm not coming. I was waiting.
We
on
do
you.
want deluxe.
Wednesday, Lee. I'm saying it right here on camera, proof. Wednesday, after my shows, after I record, we are going at 4 o'clock.
We don't have no shows on Wednesday.
No, that's why I said. That's why we're going on Wednesday to the petting zoo.
But you have to appear on a TV show on Wednesday. So after
What?
that,
Okay, well in the morning I will, but we're going afternoon.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's close this out. Want to say bye, babe? Say peace out.
Peace out, y'all. I love you.
Bye, y'all.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. To like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad. Get us to 100K.